In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Galxe Passport. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to galxe.com. So it's going to be galxe.com. And then over here, you want to click on Launch App at the top right. Now, after you do this, you'll be directed to this website over here, where you will first have to either create an account or just sign into your account in case you have one already. Now, after you're here, you want to hover over the identity part up here, and you can see over here it says Passport. So click on Passport. And after you do this, you can, of course, read the frequently asked questions in case that's what you have over here. And you can, of course, click on Mint Now if you actually want to get the passport. So click on Mint Now over here. And then you'll be able to mint your Galxe Passport, and you will be able to then get 100 of these things over here. So here, first you'll have to verify your ID documents, and then of course upload your official documents. Then you'll have to save your identity data by entering a password to store your encrypted identity file, and then you'll be able to mint your Galxe Passport NFT, and you'll get a unique NFT that represents your identity. Here you'll see that the ID verification fee is $5 over here, and then you will have to click that you read the privacy policy and terms of service, and then here it says that of course you will have to essentially agree with this statement over here as well. Now after you do this, you'll have to click on pay over here. Then first you will just have to pay, and after that you'll go through the process, and then you are done by getting your Galxe Passport. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.